Grabe, Brian. We just won the Best Producer Award sa FAMAS. How does it feel to be recognized and awarded?
Of course, again, it's overwhelming and of course grateful sa pag-recognize ng FAMAS. Ayun nga, binigyan siguro ng sense na talagang tama yung direksyon, tama yung ginagawa namin. So basically, it gives us more motivation to do more. So we're really in here sa industriya na kahit pa paano talagang nare-recognize yung mga, technically hindi lang naman dahil sa akin, but of course to all the people na I've been working with in the past years, at kahit tayo bago ay talaga naman na-recognize tayo. So talaga it motivates us to really do more pa in the industry. Gumawa pa ng gumawa.
Pero that recognition ba gives you pressure to do better and to do more movies for the industry?
As of the moment, I think marami pa akong kakaining bigas. But the best part of that siguro is because of the recognition. It gives your credibility and people want to collaborate with you. Alam mo yun, kahit yung mga malalaki na sa industriya, I think nabibigyan ka ng attention and yung mga idea mo mas pinakikinggan. So I think not necessarily pressure to do more, but opportunities are coming in na mas maraming pang oportunidad na dumarating sa Mentor Productions.
Na-mention nyo na, Brian, yung collaboration, no? You did collaborations with some film outfits and studios, Project 8, Clever Minds. Any plans of collaborating with our own din sa kapatid network, ang MQuest Ventures, syempre?
Yung awards are plus points to all the hard work that we've been doing, and it also opened gates for collaboration. So we have a new movie, Huwag Kang Titingin, and then we have a TV show, and it's an international collaboration production. It's in production now. And hopefully, of course, isa sa pinaka talagang pinapangarap ko rin makatrabaho ang MQuest.